Hello guys, welcome to Market Hours. In this video, I am going to show you how to select stock for swing trading, and also I will show you where to enter and where to exit. So let us consider this example, Khaitan Chemicals and Fertilizers. Recently it has formed a triangle pattern. So from last 6 months, if we observe the last 6 months candles, it has formed a triangle pattern over here. Now I will show you, and after breakout, where to enter and where to put your stop loss and where should you exit exactly. So let us replace this candle. So it has given a breakout with a bullish candle on 6th January 2022. So where should you enter? The next day is the entry point, so around 70 rupees, and your stop loss should be below this green candle or below this trend line. So anything is okay. Below this green candle is good stop loss. So now let us replay the price action after giving breakout from trend line. So you have entered on next day, that is 7th January 2022. So from then, after your entry, so let us see how much returns it has given. You must stick to the stop loss. You should not be greedy or should not be panic. You should wait until it hits your target, or it should hit your stop loss. So now your stop loss is, your entry is 70 rupees and your stop loss is around 66 rupees. So if you consider 1:2 risk reward ratio, your target should be 78 rupees, at least 78 rupees. So this is your target price. The stock has given your target, stock has reached your target price within 12 days. Sorry, within 6 days. The stock has hit your target within 6 days, and it has given almost 50% returns in just 6 to 7 days. So there is no need to wait until it hits 50% price. So you can exit after hitting 1:2 ratio or 1:3 ratio, or else you can at least sell 50% of your stocks, 50% of your position after hitting 1:2 ratio. So let us look at the maximum price it has went up to. So now let us look at the exit point. So this is the point where you have exited, but is there any bearish sign at your target price? No. So there is a lot of chances to go higher, so you can even wait over here. No need of exit over here until unless it forms a strong bearish candle. So on the next day it has given 16% returns in just one day. So on the next day also there is no bearish candle, on the other day also there is no bearish candle. So the strong bearish candle has formed on 20th January. So but there is also a strong recovery from here, from 100. So and also it has not broken the low of the previous green candle. So you can consider this candle to go long. Not, it is not that scary to exit the position, this candle. Particularly the date was on 20th January. This candle is not at all scary, because see the wick was little, the wick was very, yeah, there is a strong wick over here. So if we consider this wick, there is not that, this candle is not that scary. So let us look at few more days. So on the next day, 24th January, you can see a strong bearish candle. It has broken the low of the previous green candle and also low of the previous 2 days bearish candles. So this is the point where we have to consider to exit the position. So let us consider on the close basis you have exited here, like on 97.35 is your exit point. So now let us look at the risk reward ratio, how much it has given. So your entry is on at 70 rupees and your exit on 97.35, like. So if you follow this candlestick patterns, so the stock has given 38.5 return in just matter of 1 week to 10 days. So now let us look at the further price action, how it has went up. So on the next day it has given a very good returns, but no problem, no issues. You have exited over here on 97.45 at 97.45. The risk reward ratio is very good, even though if you have exited at 97.45. Stop loss is just below this candle, and see the risk reward. So it has given 1:5.5 ratio. Is a very good risk reward ratio. Maximum it has given, if you hold the stock for a few more days, it has given a maximum return of 80%, 81% returns has given. So with a risk reward ratio of 1:12. So guys, so follow the rules, and if you find any very strong bearish candle, you can exit. Don't wait too long. If you get 1:2 or 1:3 ratio, don't be greedy to get 1:7, 1:10 ratio. Even 1:3, 1:4 is very good risk reward ratio. You can consider exit after forming a strong bearish candle. So guys, I will post regular videos on this channel regarding swing trading. So I used to trade only based on triangle, symmetrical and flag forms. So I will pick the stocks daily and post it for you on this channel. You can consider subscribe to this channel to get regular updates and talks like this. So you can get easily 15 to 20% returns in swing trading based on these simple patterns. like triangle pattern, flags, or symmetrical patterns, or wedge patterns. So based on pure price action, you can earn 15 to 20% returns in a month. So thank you for watching, guys.